Welcome to our tour of the Orlando Eye and the iDrive 360 project. It's a collection of shops and restaurants all surrounding the Orlando Eye. Makes for a great half day out, place to go and eat if you're staying in the International Drive area. Very good, especially if the theme parks for the day are out of the question. Best thing there is obviously free parking. The Point Orlando, unfortunately, just next door doesn't offer free parking, but the Orlando Eye does. So it's a great place. You can go and park, go shopping, go see all the little museums, shops and restaurants, and it's very kid friendly. Once you get into the Orlando Eye area, the tickets, you can get tickets for Legoland. There's a Life Aquarium in the complex and also a Madame Tussauds. Both of those you have to pay extra for, but well worth if you're just looking around for things to do while you're on vacation. Here on the wall you can see some other celebrities in Madame Tussauds. There are numerous shops, and yes, that is a Walgreens to the left. There's also a Skeletons Museum, as well as many other shops, restaurants, and little museums to see in the complex. Perhaps the most famous restaurant in the 360 iDrive complex is the Sugar Factory of Kardashian fame. This is where you can get incredible amounts of ice cream, cakes and candy, great for birthdays, parties, and it's very, very popular. If you enjoyed watching our video, be sure to like it, share. If you have questions, just put them in the comments below. We also have a link in our description below. If you want to rent a vacation home for about the price of a hotel room, it's a much better way to stay when on vacation in Orlando.